You will say, I remember, he talked about a bird and a rhino. And your colleagues will say, I thought it was a leadership conference. And then you will think deep, very deep. Stephen told us that we have to be always around. That was it. Now, this would be a very dangerous strategy for your company. I strongly disrecommend you to follow this. Because if you only do this, you will not be the oxpecker on the back of the rhino. You will be the fly on the back of the cow. Which is a bad idea. Let me be very clear about that. Because then you're indeed always around, but you're very intrusive and you don't bring any value whatsoever. You need to be the oxpecker on the back of the rhino. It's about always around, but not intrusive, and value at the exact right moment.